Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python is a powerful and versatile programming language, and installing it on your Windows machine is a straightforward process. This tutorial will guide you through the steps to install Python 3.7 using the command prompt, cmd. Visit the official Python website at python.org and navigate to the Downloads section. Locate Python 3.7 and click on the download link. Direct link to Python 3.7, Python 3.7 downloads. Ensure that you download the correct version based on your Windows architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit. If you're unsure about your system architecture, you can check it by right-clicking on this PC or My Computer and selecting Properties. Once the installer is downloaded, locate the file, typically named something like Python 3.7.x.exe, and double-click on it to run the installer. Note, ensure that the checkbox Add Python 3.x to path is selected during the installation. This will make it easier to run Python from the command prompt. The Python installer will open. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python 3.x to path and then click on the Install Now button. After the installation is complete, open the command prompt by pressing Win+R, typing cmd, and hitting Enter. Type the following command to check if Python has been installed successfully. You should see the Python version number, example Python 3.7.x, indicating a successful installation. Let's run a simple Python script to verify that Python is working correctly. Open a text editor, like Notepad, and create a new file with the following content. Save the file with a .py extension, for example, hello_python.py. Now, navigate to the directory where you saved the file using the command prompt and run the script with the following command. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the output. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Python 3.7 on your Windows machine using the command prompt. Now you're ready to start exploring and coding in Python. ChatGPT.